Without question, happy customers, tough, reliable equipment, and easy maintenance is the purest way to success. Leonardi has made this possible with the M1 Blueshark. The M1 Blueshark is available for machines up to 35 horsepower diesel and can fit over 30 equipment configurations with a uniform set of parts. Nothing can upset you or your guys more than getting on site, preparing for the job, then watching the equipment break on the first cut, leaving you with no alternative but to go back to the shop or spend the time on site trying to repair the damage, costing hours if not the whole day. Because over time the probability of hitting an obstacle becomes inevitable, and while there's nothing wrong with that, just look at the damage a simple 1-inch stake can do to regular teeth. Impact on any tooth or pocket, regardless of brand, can cause serious damage and liability, and the frustration of the knuckle-busting, torch-cutting, wrench-wielding labor required to fix the damage can be the difference between finishing on time and having to leave the site just to go back the next day. Not to mention the hassle of ordering and inventorying the variety of correct parts. Now let's take a look at the M1 Blueshark on that 1-inch stake again. Thanks to the patent-pending rock-art technology, it actually cuts the stake! The M1 Blueshark with rock-art is just the right balance. The placement of the carbide is fine-tuned for maximum cutting speed with minimum chance of damaging the carbide, protecting the tooth and allowing for indexing. This also reduces wheel weight, giving you better clutch and belt life. In fact, in an extensive head-to-head multi-brand comparison, the M1 Blueshark lasted longer and cut faster and required less cleanup than any of its competitors. The tooth is designed to make faster, cleaner cuts, while the rock guard has been engineered to prolong tooth life and reduce time on cleanup with built-in chip deflectors. Just look at the difference between the two piles of chips. And with 3 available tooth types, Leonardi makes it easy for you to dial in your cutting action for any environment. The standard tooth for general everyday use, the rock tooth used if experiencing chipping in rocky areas, and the sand and clay tooth, your best defense against excessive wear. Now step back and think about the fact that when a tooth is dull, regardless of brand, cutting speed can slow up to 4 times. This means up to 4 times the impact on you and your machine. Why waste your time when you can save money and work faster? Clearly there's no better way to keep your cutting speed up and protect your equipment than to index the teeth regularly. Now with the M1 Blueshark, it's easy enough for any maintenance personnel or the operator to do. All they need to do is inspect the teeth after each stump and have the operator check after repeated impacts or if cutting slows. Besides, when it's this easy, there's no reason not to. If needed, in a matter of seconds, they can save themselves hours. When you add it all up, the lower total cost of using and maintaining your equipment, coupled with easier use and faster cleanup, equals time saved, happy customers, and more money in your pocket. Work smarter, not harder, with Leonardi.